The DJI Air 2S has been a popular choice among drone enthusiasts, earning its place in our list of top drones. However, recent leaks have hinted at the imminent arrival of its successor, the DJI Air 3, which could potentially become the new sweet spot in DJI's drone lineup. Rumored specifications, accompanied by leaked photos and a video, have already given us a glimpse into what the mid-range DJI Air 3 might offer. The most exciting news is the potential inclusion of a new telephoto lens similar to the impressive one featured in the recent DJI Mavic 3 Pro. Watch out today's video to know more about the upcoming DJI Air 3 specifications, price, and release date.
Are you struggling to explain your idea? Your audience is not getting what you're trying to say? An animated explainer video is a perfect solution for you. Explainer videos simplifies any complex ideas through engaging animations, transitions, voiceovers, and meaningful scripts, which altogether create a fun experience for any viewer. And here comes 10 Studio, a team of skilled professionals dedicated to creating engaging explainer videos. With over thousands of completed projects, we have the expertise to create explainer videos that break down your message and connect with your audience. Get in touch with 10 Studio today.
The credibility of these rumors is further supported by recently leaked images and videos which have surfaced from sources such as Deals Drone and Drones Modelismo. These leaked photos and videos provide additional evidence and lend weight to the information being circulated about the DJI Air 3 and its potential features. In the first photo, the side view of the DJI Air 3 reveals a sleek body design accentuated by the presence of 4 fisheye obstacle avoidance sensors positioned on each corner. The overall aesthetics of the Air 3 drone seem to draw inspiration from the design elements seen in the DJI Mavic 3 and the Mini 3 Pro models. Notably, similarities can be observed in the folding mechanism of the arms, the design of the arms themselves, the inclusion of a battery compartment accessible from the rear, and the integration of fisheye obstacle avoidance sensors. One notable feature that catches the eye is the sizable gimbal and camera setup positioned at the front of the drone. Many individuals are expecting the Air 3 to come equipped with a camera housing a 1-inch sensor. However, there is speculation that the DJI Air 3 might actually incorporate the identical camera and micro Four Thirds sensors found in the DJI Mavic 3 Classic. Furthermore, judging from the available photos and video footage, it appears reasonable to conclude that the DJI Air 3 will come equipped with omnidirectional obstacle avoidance, a notable upgrade over its predecessor, the DJI Air 2S. Currently, the DJI Air 2S is equipped with a single camera featuring a 1-inch 20-megapixel CMOS sensor. However, a reliable DJI leaker known as Quadro have disclosed information suggesting that the upcoming DJI Air 3 will introduce an enhanced camera setup. According to the leaks, the DJI Air 3 could incorporate either a 1/1.3-inch mid-telephoto lens, offering an effective 3x zoom similar to the lens found on the Mavic 3 Pro, or a 1/2-inch telephoto lens providing an effective 7x zoom. While it's important to note that these lenses would not qualify as zoom lenses in the strict technical sense, their longer focal lengths would still provide a valuable capability for capturing photos and videos of distant subjects. This feature would be particularly beneficial for shooting subjects that are beyond legal flying limits, allowing drone operators to capture footage from a safe distance. One of the leaked images reveals that the batteries of the DJI Air 3 are noticeably larger compared to the compact and lightweight design of the drone itself. This suggests the possibility of an increased flight duration of the DJI Air 3. According to Quadro, the rumored DJI Air 3 is expected to be released sometime between late June and early July 2023. So far, the only leaked information regarding its specifications suggests a battery life of around 30 minutes, which is nearly identical to the flight time of the DJI Air 2S. In conclusion, the leaked information and images surrounding the DJI Air 3 have sparked anticipation among drone enthusiasts. The potential enhancements, including an improved camera setup with effective zoom capabilities, a sleek body design inspired by other DJI models, omnidirectional obstacle avoidance, and potentially longer flight duration, make the Air 3 an exciting prospect for aerial photography and videography. Thanks for watching the video. Like and share it with your friends if you find this video to be helpful, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you want more videos like this on your feed.